This one's coming off a request, and I do think it's worth showing off. Hash hub mining is a pretty standard Bitcoin cloud mining app. It has the $1.99 deals to give you a little bit of hash rate. And the one thing about these $1.99 deals is that if you buy anything else besides the $1.99 deal, it goes away. And you can't buy these over and over again. You have to wait about 24 or 48 hours. I believe it's 24 hours. But if you're patient, you can buy it over and over again technically. But to me, the main draw of these apps, besides the decent APRs, low entry fees, is that the withdrawal minimums are very low at 20 sats, and there's absolutely no withdrawal fees. You can send it to a speed wallet, Coinbase, ZBD, etc. And there's no real special features, no referrals. Just stick with $1.99, gives a good APR, and you should be good to go. And I've had this app for a little while. 1 terahash gives you a little over 40 sats, basically standard between all these apps. So in the time I've had it, I've earned 475 sats. I've had it for a little over a month, and a 7% return on investment doesn't seem too high, but I've also only invested $4 and haven't had it that long. Next, I'd like to go over how withdrawals work. It's super quick and easy. So in your wallet tab, you're going to click redeem and then click the Lightning Network. We're going to go to our speed wallet and hit receive. I had about 450 sats at this point, so add amount, I put 450, hit done, copy my invoice, head back to Hash Hub Miner. We're going to put 0.000045 for 450 sats, and then we're going to paste our invoice, and then click redeem now. And less than 8 hours later, the 450 sats were sent directly to my speed wallet. And as far as the tier list goes, I can't put it any lower than the B tier. The return on investments are so high, these are usually pretty stable, and if anything changes, I'll obviously change it on the tier list. And that's pretty much it as far as the early review. Has good return on investments as long as you stick with the $1.99, don't buy anything else, there's no referrals, and don't bother with the free ads, they don't pay you hardly anything. And what I'll do is when I hit 50% return on investment of this app, I'll do a full review with that account update, and I'll let you know if anything has changed. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin and crypto cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And if you're tired of risky crypto exchanges that can be hacked and want to get into crypto cold storage, I'm an affiliate partner with Tangem, the most affordable cold storage wallet on the market, and you'll save 10% if you use my link. And if you buy a wallet using my link, it directly supports the channel and is greatly appreciated. And if you find value in these videos, I have memberships available for 99 cents a month. You'll get these videos out quicker. I don't take any direct sponsorships from any of these cloud mining apps, so these videos come out as unbiased as possible. And when I do see a membership, it really does make my day. But as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.